Hey, it's Dr. Trish Leigh, and I just recorded our niche workshop for this month on seizures and epilepsy. It's totally awesome, so I can't wait for you to check it out. All of you neurofeedback experts that are already in the niche workshop, your video will be ready for you on this Wednesday by 12 noon. It'll be there for you. Anybody who's not in the workshop yet, you need to get in because you need to know this information so that you can help patients with seizures. It's easy peasy. There's all the research there to support the findings of the brain map. There's a brain map example. You can go through it. The protocols that you would use to train a person's brain that is suffering from seizures, the outcomes that are likely, and the changes that you'll see, all the science to support it. So sign up now. It's only $79 a month. The new schedule for next year will be coming out soon. Each month you get a workshop that teaches you how to help different types of patients. So sign up now, and I'll see you in the workshop on Wednesday.